I'm Luke with Broadway Home Medical, and today we're going to be unboxing a Pride Revo 2.0. Hope you stay tuned in. Welcome back. Now let's continue with the Pride Revo 2.0 opening. So make sure you have a knife whenever you're opening these boxes. It makes it a little bit easier to get to the scooter. Simply cut the sides. Cut the top. Cut the other side. Typically when opening these boxes, we like to start from the top and work our way down. Makes it as easy as possible to get these things out. Now whenever you open this, you should come into the owner's manual with some accessories or some hardware, your battery charger, and your two armrests. Side. Next, we'll go ahead and take the styrofoam out of the box. Next thing you come to is your seat. We'll just simply take it out of the box. We come to more styrofoam. Next thing you'll come to are your two batteries. Take them up and out of the box. I like to keep it in the plastic as long as possible, just so that way we don't scuff up any of the scooter. Then you'll take out your basket. And continue taking out more styrofoam. Pride does a very good job of packing their product. Make sure everything fits nice and tight into the box. Now, we're down to the base of the scooter. Now this is a heavier scooter, so what I typically recommend is cut the sides of the boxes and just roll the scooter on out. Now we'll have to lift up the scooter. Remove the styrofoam. And then you'll do the same thing on the back end of the scooter. Now at this point, you come to the back of the scooter, disengage the brake, put it in neutral, roll your plastic down, and roll the scooter on out. once you get the scooter up and out, the scooter already has the seat post onto the scooter, so you don't need to worry about putting that on. Next we'll do is put the batteries onto the scooter. So with the Pride Revo 2.0, you'll want to stick the right battery in first, following by the left. After that, we'll come back to our seat. Then we'll set the seat onto the seat post. Our next step will be to attach the armrest onto the seat itself. So if you've seen our other videos, most Pride products will have these knobs on the back of it so you can loosen them. So that way you can slide your armrest into the armrest hole. Go ahead and take out your 2 pins that comes in the seat. Then simply put your armrest into the seat, and with the pins that you have received, put the pin into the hole to where you like the armrest adjusted, and then simply turn down your knob so that way your armrest is nice and sturdy. Next, what we'll do is the same thing on the other side. Tighten this down, and you're all good to go. And while we're back here, this is your release lever for your drive, your neutral. So if you need to freewheel the scooter, you simply push the lever forward, and that'll freewheel your scooter. Whenever you're ready to engage the motor, you simply pull the lever back. Now put it in drive. This is what actually propels you forward. After that, the next thing we'll attach is the basket. So if your scooter does come with a basket, most of the time they already have a place set up on the scooter for it to be set up on. You'll see these 2 posts. You look at the back of this basket, and you just simply slide it onto it. After that, we'll throw our battery charger into the basket just so we don't forget it. Then you'll come to your owner's manual. You'll see where your keys come in. So you just simply take them out of the bag. Put the key into the key switch. Turn it on and make sure it turns on. It looks like we have power, so it looks like we did put everything on correctly. The last and final thing with the Pride Revo 2.0, just like with most Pride products, on the front steering for your tiller assembly, it'll have a locking mechanism, so that way if you put it into a vehicle or anything like that, it's not just gonna be sliding out on all over you. So you want to push that in, twist it, and that'll make your wheels turn. So if you ever feel like your wheels aren't turning, check this point here, so that way you can make sure everything's riding correctly. But after that, that's pretty much it for the Pride Revo 2.0. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Hope you guys like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow along with you. And for that, that's it for today. Hope you have a good one. See you later.